Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write in vertex form, okay, and identifying the vertex. So here's the vertex form. It's written in the form of the name of the function equal a times, and the first factor is the square, which is inside the square you have x minus h and plus k outside the square. Okay, and the coordinate of the vertex is always going to be the opposite of whatever number is inside the square. So here you have negative h. So the opposite of negative h is positive h, comma, and the k correspond to the y value. Okay, so let's then do some problem. So I'm going to give you a function written in standard form, and you're going to write them from standard form to the vertex form. Okay, so I'm going to explain how you can write this function in vertex form. First, you're going to group the variable. So I'm only the variable. So I'm going to group x squared minus 4x, and then I'm going to leave plus 3, the constant, 3 outside. Okay. Then in order to write in vertex form, okay, the coefficient of x squared needs to be 1, and here is already 1. So we don't need to factor out any number. Okay. So what we need to do next, we want to complete the square. We need to figure out what number to add to x squared minus 4x to get a perfect square trinomial. Okay. How would you get that number to add? So the trick is you want to take b. B represents the number in front of x. The coefficient of x here is negative 4. So you take b, you divide by 2, and then you square it. So what is b here? B is negative 4. You divide by 2, and you square it. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. When you square it, you get positive 4. So the number that you're going to add is going to be plus 4. Okay. Now, remember, you're adding 4 to this function, to this expression, x squared minus 4x plus 3. You're adding 4. Okay. So to offset addition of 4, that's when you have to minus what? You have to minus 4. Again, you're not solving by completing the square. You're not solving the equation right here. So we don't need to add 4. Don't think, oh, because I add 4, I have to add 4 to the other side. No, 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 no. You don't want to, if you add 4, you're basically changing the function, the expression here, x squared minus 4 plus 3. So you're basically adding 8. So it's not the same function given originally. So that's why you need to minus 4 to offset the addition of 4. Okay, then oops. So now we can complete the square. Okay, so how do I write this perfect square trinomial as a square? You start with x, and you take half of b. B here is negative 4. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. And you square it, and negative 3 minus 4 is negative 1. And what is a vertex? So the vertex is always going to be the x value of the vertex is always going to be the opposite of whatever number is inside the parentheses. So we see negative 2 is going to be a positive 2, comma, negative 1. And that's your final answer. Okay. Okay, so let me explain how you are able to write in vertex form and identifying the coordinate of the vertex. So you want to group the variable together and leave the constant outside parentheses. Then you want to find the number to add to the variables to create the perfect square trinomials. And we identifying the number by doing b divided by 2, everything squared, and you got 4. So we added 4, okay? Now, to offset the addition of 4, so we're not changing the original expression. You have to minus 4, okay? Then x squared minus 4x plus 4 can be written as a square, which is x minus 2 squared, and then positive 3 minus 4 is a negative 1. And the vertex, the x value of the vertex is always going to be the number inside the parentheses, and always use the opposite. The opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. And the y value is the number away from the square. It's a negative 1. So it's going to remain negative 1. And that's it. Okay. So now to check your understanding, please pause the video and write this function in vertex form. Okay. Okay. So here are the answers. Okay. So thank you for watching my videos. Okay, have a wonderful day. And the next video I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to write in vertex form when x squared has a coefficient over than 1. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.